to my tutorial video about Autodesk Moldflow Advisor 2017. So this is my first tutorial video. It's about introduction to ribbon interface. So we need to create a new project. So we will name this ribbon interface 1. So after that, we must import our model. Our model, we take this from this here. Open it. Next again, then next again, we finish it. So the next is we need to orient the part. First we must go to the bottom. So this is the bottom of our model, and then we go to the geometry, we go to the rotate, and we use what is the center. We click this one, our model, and we click this double 2 times, and we apply. It's okay. Then we need to set our location. So to get the position, we must this one is to set the inject location where we want to inject the location. So we can set one or more in location we want, and then we set the assume this is center of the model, and then we finish the celebration. Then we need to define the parting line. So to define the parting plane of the model, we must choose this single cavity, and then we go to the geometry, we set the parting plane. After that, we must this box, we apply and we close. So the next is we do the mold size. For the mold size, I will use the value that has been given in the tutorial. So check the symmetry, then we choose this 50, this 50, this one is 50, and for positive point is 30. So we click apply. So the next, so we need to zoom out this one and rotate to the front. So this is we can see this is our injection we want to do, where we want to do the injection, and then we must set a plate. For the plate A is 95 and for the plate B is 30. So we apply and close. The next step we want to create a spruce. So before we want to create a spruce, we must change the properties. For the spruce properties, we must go call spruce type and separate spruce shape, and the diameter is 30 mm and the end diameter is 5 mm. So the next step is okay, it's one, and we must set our grid size into 10 mm, and we choose the center of the part. And we click OK. And next step is we choose the runner. So the runner, we can choose part at the center of this grid, and then click OK, apply OK. So this is where we will do the spruce. So the next step is we do the spruce. For the spruce, we no, no, well, for the runner properties, we will use the circle runner with diameter 4. Okay. So before we create the runner, choose the grid size and small the we must create a smaller grid size. So then use 5 mm for grid size, and then after that we can run it. So how to do running? So this is how to do the running. So first of all, we need to zoom this close enough. So this one into this one, find it. So the next step we want to create a gate. So first of all, we must setting to the gate properties. So for the gate properties, we has been set for full gate type and security type for the shape, and for the diameter is 4 mm and for the end diameter is 2 mm, and then which is for horizontal line. And okay, then we can start to make it. For the view, we must uncheck these two bounding and injection code to get to see our gate later. Then we choose a gate. We choose a gate and define by coordinate. We can choose where we want to start gate, and this is the gate. This is the gate that we want. So we keep this and finish the gate. Okay, after we have finished our gate and spruce and the runner, so we want to run this our project. We go to the home and so we use the analysis wizard. First of all, we must clear all the bulk here and we just take this back, and then we can choose the material what we want, process setting, the more temperature we want, where we want to be set, the map temperature, and go to the one so you can set all these three things what we design, and then we finish and we can start. We go to the stars and we can start the analysis.